Here we are at sunrise at Cabbage Tree Bay, Manly, Sydney, Australia, for some early morning videography. For a semblance of continuity, I am tracing the swimmers at Cabbage Tree Bay from the start at Manly Beach, swimming to Shelley Beach and then returning to Manly Beach. The conflated video clips, though, are taken on different mornings. Used is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic drone, utilising the intelligent flight modes of waypoints, quick shot helix and tripod mode, while also integrating in cruise control. The 4/3 CMOS sensor brings some great low lighting videography to the table without being compromised with noise, something that was almost impossible with the Mavic 2 zoom, especially with the wide open aperture on zoom in early morning low lighting. That yellow-orange light bathing the buildings is a sure signature of just after sunrise. By having the exposure just a little higher, although the swimmers are a little overexposed, it enhances the light penetration down through the water column to display the variegation in clear water of rocks, sand and kelp. Another autonomous flight mode, Quick Shots Helix. With waypoints, open the DJI Fly app and go into the map to zoom in on the map of Cabbage Tree Bay. Tap on the map for the first waypoint and a set of boxes comes up. Type in the height, speed, bearing, inclinational angle and that you want the drone to start videoing. Go to the second waypoint that you want the drone to fly to and tap on the map. Then type in your data set. Get the drone to come down from 100 meters, aligned horizontally to catch sunrise, to smoothly yaw while dropping down to 6 meters with an inclinational angle and bearing directed up the bay to catch the swimmers below. That mission is autonomous and is saved. As the drone goes through the data set, you can manually control exposure, focus and zoom.